Hey folks, this is Basant here and welcome back in this channel. So we have a good news. App Sumo Lifetime is back again, and in this video I'm going to review one of the most popular tool is back again for this sale here. So this is the Jogg AI, and this is the Asian alternative. With the help of you can create this so many videos with your own voice. You can clone yourself, you can clone your voice. And first let me give you the example here. So if I scroll down below, you can see this is the video I have created, and let me tell you, I have cloned myself in this video. So let me play this video for you and you will be amazed. In a world where walls whisper secrets, one wall felt ignored. It sighed, "Why am I just a plain, boring wall?" The couch replied, "At least you're not covered." See, this is the power of this tool I am showing you right now. Just the one demo, you have understand what is the power of the Jogg.ai. And this is so much powerful that they bring back the Jogg.ai lifetime deals again only for the 4 days here. You can see deal will end in the 4 days. So this is the right chance if you want to get it, this deal back again on the lifetime access. Starting from the $79, you can access all the plans here. So if I go to the plans, you can see the 30 video credits per month, and this is all the limits or the access you can see here. But I suggest if you have the budgets, go with the higher tier plans because there will get the more value on your money here. So let me go to its dashboard and give you the features demo and the overview on its dashboard here. So this is how its dashboard looks like once you log in after the lifetime deal purchasing. By the way, the link will be given in the description. Plus I am also giving out free bonuses, so make sure you check out the description here. Okay, so we have the options and the features on the in front of the dashboard here. Like I want to create the avatar video, I want to create a talking video, AI videos. I have also the video translation here. Okay, or we have also the more tools below here. Okay, so I want to create or clone myself, so I can start with your ideal avatar here. Okay, so let me go to the avatar section here, and you can see this is the my avatar here. So let me see, you will get here create your own avatar, video avatar. Okay, you can see in the video avatar you have to upload your few seconds video with your voice, and there you have to also give the consent, and after that it will clone yourself. Okay, so that's how you are going to clone in the avatar section. Now let me go to the home section, and I want to create the any videos using the this ideal avatar. So I can select any of these one, or simply I can click here on the create video, and after you will see the option like avatar video, talking photo, AI video, ads, or video translation. So let me go with the avatar video here, and I got all the options like in my avatar which person or the model I want to select. Okay, so I can also play and check it out which one suit me best. So I will select this one. Okay, yeah, this looks really good here. So once I select that, I have to go to the edit script, and here I have to add the script, or I can also upload my own audio here at the script. So this is makes things really easy. Okay, and there's also the AI writer, randomizer, and the net reduction on the fitness. So I can select the so many public voices to just create the or use them in my script here. So I will go with the hi, this is Basant here from Stress Guru, how are you? Okay, so I have that the simply added the script here. So this is basically I'm giving a demo with the random script, and let's click on the generate. Okay, so now it will asking me the ratio, the format, or whether I want the watermark or not. So I don't want, so click here on the render. Now it will start generating the video for you. So basically it will take few minutes because my script is just few lines, but still I have to wait few minutes. I think around the 5 minutes here it is showing me. So while it is generating, I can show you my results previously I have generated with the Jogg.ai. So this is the video I have just created using the Jogg.ai and adding just a link of the article. I will also show you that out, but first let me play the video for you so you can understand the power of this platform. Transform your space into a calming oasis with the Ship humidifier. Breathe easy and relax with soothing mist. You can see here, along with the titles going on the screen, this is the AI model I have used, and now it popped up. So it basically not feels like I am watching a video from the AI avatar. It looks good. Flowing effortlessly. Simple to use. Just add water and switch it on. Are you ready to transform your space into a calming oasis? So this is the thing here, and now let me show you how I created this video. So simply go to the create video, and then I will go with the this one. That one is the AI video ads. Okay, so I will click here, and now here it will ask me the link of that product I want to cover here. So simply go to your website, no matter it's any kind of the website. You go to the Amazon, you go to the any popular e-commerce, and even if you own have the e-commerce store, you can use the product from there. So basically let me select this one, that is the CPU I got here, so gameplay. So I will select the this one here. Okay, retro handheld game, something like this one. So I will get the link here, get back to Jogg AI, simply paste the URL here, and now let me click here on the create video. And now here's the magic is going to be the happen. Once this process go to the 100%, it will show you all the images and video from that page out. So I got the video made from, and here's the thing, video media. So I will select here. So you can see basically I have selected all this one, but I can here add more asset. Okay, like I can add the video. Okay, I can add the more images here, and here I can select the highlights. Okay, so I will go with this one, highlight here. Okay, so that's how basically. And now it will asking me the video settings. I will go with the, you can see the public avatar. So you can select the public avatar. So previously I have selected this one, Benjamin Studio. So again I will select this one. Okay, so once you select that, close the pop-up. And okay, I haven't selected that one, so let me select again. Yeah, it is selected here. Okay, and I can also select my own avatar here that I have created. So you can see the my own avatar. So let me go with my own avatar, why not? Let me click here on the confirm. Now it is selected, and now you can see I can select the aspect, the how many time duration. So let's go with the 30 seconds. Let me tell you, it will take you a little bit more time because we have the duration is higher. Let me click here on the next, and now it will start generating the that video ad that I want to create it. Okay, so we have to wait a little bit, and let me just wait here. I am really excited to show you the magic of this tool. And here you will get the few formats. Okay, so you can see actual lip sync will be the available after export, but here are the formats you can render before you get your own desired one. So let me see which one looks really good. So I like this one here. Okay, so I can also play it. So let me love retro games. No, I didn't like this one. Love retro game. No. Love retro games? The R36 Max packs 18,000 plus classics in your pocket. Okay, this one looks really good. Let me click here on the quick edit and the pro edit. So in this I can do some changes here. So right now I want to just render it. So simply click here on the render, and now it will start exporting the video. So here's the real time, a little bit more wait you have to do. And here's this result. Let me play it for you. Love retro games? The R36 Max packs 18,000 plus I know audio is a little bit something like the girly type, but still I can manage because in the quick or edit I have showed you the option that I can just change the audio here, so that is not a big problem. Okay, now let me play. Enjoy crisp visuals on a 4-inch HD tempered glass screen. No eye strain. Game anywhere, anytime. Portable design and up to 10 hours battery life. The things to notice here, the lip syncing on the word, that is perfectly matched here. Okay, so that is the big thing, and that is the thing I want to talk about. You can do with the Jogg AI. So this is the platform, and it is the really completely good alternative of the Hagen. But right now, because of its lifetime deals back again only 44 days, so you have the limited time, you can get it on the one-time payment here. So again, if I go to the plans and feature, we have the different tier plans up to the 5, but I suggest go with at least with the tier 3 plan, because here you can get the unlimited video credits per month. Unlimited, this is extremely insane. I mean, the unlimited times of the videos you can create every month here. So that's all for today's video I want to talk about. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button. If you want to check it out, the Jogg AI lifetime deal, the link will be given in the description. And make sure you also subscribe this channel to stay updated. Bye bye, take care, and I will see you in the next one.